In this section, we're going to discuss overriding methods. Overriding is the idea of modifying or replacing a method's behavior that's defined in a superclass. A subclass will do that modification. The subclass method has to have the same signature as its superclass for overriding to work. That is, the name of the method and the exact parameter list must be the same. Let's assume a class that defines a two-string method, in this case an employee class. If an instance of this class is assigned to an object reference variable, invoking the two-string method will execute the subclass version. Object declares a two-string method, but it isn't meant to be the final say on what's output. It's just the beginning point. Most classes, like employee in this case, would want to output something different than object. So even though employee is assigned to an object reference, when the two-string method is called, the employee's version is the one that runs, not the object class. So it allows us to output something like name Joe, salary $28,000. The benefit is that when we have a collection of classes related by inheritance, we can call all of them based on the superclass, yet each one will respond according to the subclass's behavior of the overridden methods. A different example. Consider the employee's compute pay method. It's declared in the superclass, which means that every employee must be able to implement a compute pay method to determine how they get paid. There are many different ways, for example, salary, wage, commission, etc. So for someone in accounting to know how to pay an individual employee, they would have to look up what kind of employee they are and then do a specific computation. That's what the subclassing with overridden methods does. It allows each employee to come up and call the specific compute pay method for that employee's type, even though each employee is being referenced as a superclass object. That means it makes the programming simple. We have a container of employees, and for each employee in the container, we call the compute pay method. That code is simple. The runtime determination of which method to run, which overloaded method to run, is done